Welcome to Base Bear Garage. Today's question is how to upgrade your car audio system without changing everything. Well, first of all, you need to figure out what about your car audio system you want to change. If you want more things to be able to connect to things, like if you've got an older system and you want to be able to connect Bluetooth, or if you've got, you know, uh, just a CD player and you want to be able to stream music into it and stuff. That's one thing. And if you're going to upgrade that, you can upgrade that by simply replacing the head unit. And there's a couple of different options for replacing a head unit out there. One is you could use a factory head unit like the one you already have in your car, but one that has the features that you want. Maybe it was an upgraded model from a different car that you didn't get. Say it was the upgraded version, and that might have the feature you're looking for. Of course, those are typically going to be pretty pricey, and you're still going to be limited on functionality. Another option is to upgrade using an aftermarket single DIN or double DIN style head unit. These typically are universal and can be made to fit in any vehicle, with some equipment needed to be bought to make it integrate into like steering wheel controls and other things that you may have tied into your vehicle specifically, but they pretty much will work. A third option, of course, is to buy units that are specifically designed to work in your vehicle. These are usually low cost units. They're not always of the highest quality, but they can give you some really cool features and really factory looking fitment. Another thing is if your audio system that you've got, as far as your connectivity, is up to par. It does the things you want, but it sounds bad. Okay. You want something that sounds better. Well, you can always upgrade just your speakers and keep that factory unit. You can usually get some degree of improvement just by upgrading your factory speakers to a better quality driver, especially if those factory speakers have been damaged or have been just aged out to the point where they just don't sound good anymore. However, I must tell you, if you want to really improve the sound, putting a small amplifier at minimum on those speakers, upgrading your speakers and putting a small amplifier on them is going to give you far more of an upgraded feel than just replacing your speakers. Because the ones that you're going to be putting in there are still going to be getting a very small, low power signal, and they're designed for a bigger signal. Giving them more power is going to get you a better overall sound. And of course, bass is usually one of the things that most people want to upgrade, having more bottom end in their system. And that can be usually as easy as adding a small subwoofer and a small subwoofer amplifier, or a small powered subwoofer, meaning it's a subwoofer with an amplifier built into it. This can usually be connected to the factory stereo system by either high level inputs going into the amplifier built into the subwoofer, or high level inputs going into the amplifier in addition to a subwoofer. In some cases, the amplifier or subwoofer amplifier system that you have won't accept high level inputs. In that case, you're going to need something like a line output converter. This little device takes your signal level output that would normally be going to a speaker in your car and converts it to a signal that your amplifier can take in. And in that scenario, you could use that connected to a speaker cable somewhere in your car, a factory speaker cable, and you can get a signal back there to a subwoofer to actually have some bottom end in your system. Of course, going much bigger than this, you can go through and replace everything. But you don't always have to replace everything to upgrade your system. If you found this helpful, hopefully you'll slap that subscribe button, hit the like button, and stick around for more goodness. Share it, guys. Peace.